this is how I recommend putting eye ointment into your eye. I would not recommend you actually using the tip of the tube to put into your eye directly, because you might poke yourself. When I worked at the VA hospital, we would actually recommend patients use their finger and put a thin ribbon of ointment onto their finger like this. After washing the hands with soap and water, we would say go ahead and just place a thin ribbon like so onto the tip of the finger, and then from then on you can pull down the lower eyelid and just put it in from your finger instead. So now I've got a ton of ointment into my eye like that. I didn't have to jab myself accidentally with the tube, especially with my older patients. We'd actually be worried with them at the VA hospital because they don't have as good eye-hand coordination and motor skills. We'd actually recommend using their finger, because you're less likely to poke yourself on the side of, by using the side of your finger and putting it like that, you're not going to really poke yourself as much as using the tip of the tube. So that's much better than actually pulling down. What I see in other videos is people recommend putting down the lower eyelid and pulling it down here with the tube. But that could work, but you're more likely to accidentally poke yourself, especially with my older patients. So I recommend just pouring it a little bit onto the tip of the finger and just putting it sideways, pulling the lower lid down, and just putting it in right there, and you'll get plenty into your eye without accidentally poking yourself. Especially good for my older patients.